Want younger-looking skin without expensive creams or treatments? This 4-ingredient juice can naturally reduce signs of aging, starting from within. Here's what you'll need: 2 fresh carrots, 1 beetroot, a small piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. That's it! Just chop everything up, toss it in a blender with a little water, and blend until smooth. If you like a lighter drink, strain it, or keep it whole for all that awesome fiber. I love to squeeze a little extra lemon on top for a zesty kick. Now let's talk about why this juice is a total skincare powerhouse. Carrots? Packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that help protect your skin and slow down aging. Beetroot boosts blood circulation and detoxifies, giving your skin that healthy, natural glow. Ginger fights inflammation and those pesky free radicals that cause wrinkles and dullness. And lemon? It's loaded with vitamin C, which is key for collagen production and brighter, more even-toned skin. Put it all together, and you get a drink bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory goodness. These work together to hydrate, heal, and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out, no filters needed. For best results, drink this first thing in the morning or as a pick-me-up in the afternoon. If you're consistent, you'll start to notice fewer fine lines, less dullness, and a fresher, more youthful glow. So ditch the chemicals. Glow naturally with food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healing recipes from Nature's Fix.